If you're calculating commissions from Salesforce alone, you might be overpaying your reps by $16,000 this quarter. Salesforce knows what was sold. Stripe knows what was actually paid, and they don't talk to each other. So every pay period, someone reconciles by hand, which means errors, late payouts, and reps chasing math. That's where Coefficient comes in. 2 clicks, and I'm pulling closed-won deals from Salesforce directly into a sheet. No export, no CSV, no data team. Same thing for Stripe. 2 clicks, and now I have every invoice that went out this quarter. Paid, pending, and past due. Now the magic. I asked the AI Sheet Assistant to join these 2 tabs by customer and calculate commissions on paid revenue, not sold. It does the logic, the join, and the math. Finance gets the real commission number. Reps get paid on revenue that actually came in. And you get a gap alert for every deal that isn't closing in Stripe yet, before your CSM walks into a renewal conversation blind. Install Coefficient for free, connect to Salesforce and Stripe, and let the Sheet Assistant do the blend. The link is in the description.